Fam! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing an unboxing haul of my Shopee and Lazada purchases. But before anything else, hope you've already subscribed and you've clicked on that bell button so you're always notified whenever I have new videos like this one. Okay, so we've got my Shopee and Lazada mini haul over here. I call it mini because, I tried to limit myself so that, this unboxing wouldn't be that long. Well, actually, I'm lying. Marami rin kasi hindi umabot. A lot of them are still in transit, so I will be unboxing a few of the ones that made it to this vlog. Okay, so let's start off with this one. I'm not sure what this is, but I did buy it, so it is going to be beautiful. And because I'm already using a new mic, I will be doing sort of like an ASMR unboxing. Okay, so I purchased a bunch of these accessories on Shopee. I'm gonna put all the links down below, so do not worry, do not fret. I got these really cute rings. They came pretty fast, actually. Mas late pa dapat yan, according to the estimated delivery time. So this is the first set. Comes in different colors. Have here blue, lilac, pink, the Technicolor one, pink and blue. And we have here a yellowish one. So it's actually open here, so you can make it smaller, I hope. Yeah! It's too big for my finger. So cute! So that's more of the pastel color. These are more of the Gen Z color. Ta-da! Also got these thinner ones naman. They're so cute. And then I also got more of these Gen Z approved beaded necklaces. See? It's smiling. It's a choker. Let's see if it fits my neck. This all came from this one store. Actually saw a bunch of these products also with other stores, but then sayang yung shipping, so I tried to look for a store that had all of the stuff that I wanted. Ta-da! So I could still make this thinner. I have a hack for it. Para maging choker siya. And then this is way smaller, so this is for sure choker. Yeah, it's small. Ooh, so cute. Yeah. And then I also got a bunch of these clamps that are transparent, pero may pearl. I really wanted something that's more elevated so that when I go out, I can still use my clamp for when I'm out of the house, not just inside. So I wanted something more maarte, so ito yun. And then I also got a shorter one for when I want to do like a half pony. Also got this resin one. I just feel it's nicer than your usual clips. And then I got a bunch of these bigger sized rings also. All pretty cheap too. Ta-da! So cute. Okay, next up, let's go for a big box. This is open actually because we already disinfected it. Anyways. Oh! COMMONLABS! My order from COMMONLABS. So you guys know that I've been using COMMONLABS Vitamin C Brightening Gel Cream and it's already empty as shown on my empties vlog, which is why I bought a new one. So this is how it looks when it's just fresh out of the box. So this has mandarin orange peel and also pure vitamin C. So this is perfect if you want to brighten your skin tone, make it feel softer, smoother. It also has AHA and BHA properties, which is why it's great if you want to really brighten your skin. You feel like it's super duper dull. This is the gel cream for you. It's also really quick to absorb, super duper lightweight. It's not sticky at all. Helps controlling sebum production, and yeah, HA, BHA, PHA, the works. It's really one of my favorites from COMMONLABS. And then I also got my ultimate favorite. Alam na ilang beses ko na sinasabi sa inyo to, but this is the Vitamin E Micro Needle Spot Cream. And this is how it looks when it's fresh out of the box. Again, it's one of my favorites, especially when I'm about to have a pimple or when a pimple is there. It really automatically soothes my skin. At most maximum, like 2-3 days, my pimple is gone. If it's a small pimple, the next day it's automatically gone. It's something that I really used a lot, especially when I was pregnant, because it's pregnancy and breastfeeding safe. All the ingredients that I checked there are all good for us. So it's got vitamin E and it's also got tea tree leaf, which is great for its antibacterial properties. Aside from killing your pimples, it's also really great with repairing your skin. Like after your pimple dies, of course there's a blemish still, there's a dark spot. I still continue using this. Again, it comes with this applicator tip and you just pump it with this one. Ayan o, naka-shape na yung finger mo dyan. Then out comes the cream and then you just use this to apply. Don't use your fingers because it has micro needles nga. So for hygiene purposes, so that the micro needles won't get transferred to other areas, use the applicator talaga. It's something that you can use every 2 days or so, but I use it every day because nga running ako, so I use it every day. But actually, this lasts you for 70 hours. So one application already lasts you for 70 hours. Because of the micro needles, it's able to really penetrate your skin. All these good stuff. And I feel like that's the reason why it's so effective, especially on me. And I've had so many of you message me as well that masaya ko yung nabudol kayo with this. So yan. Before COMMONLABS, actually, I've been kind of scared to use vitamin E products because I was told na some people kasi are not young with vitamin E. But with COMMONLABS, surprisingly, like even all these tricky vitamin ingredients that can cause irritation on some people, especially with me because I have sensitive skin. But I feel like all these products are made for people like me with sensitive skin because I've never had any reactions to COMMONLABS' skincare products, which is why I'm more brave now and I'm gonna try to expand on my vitamin E skincare. So I got the vitamin E calming ampule. So this one is my second one already and I've started using the other one and I'm already halfway through kaya binili ko na rin siya kasi sayang yung shipping. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So this is the vitamin E calming ampule and I really love this, especially when my skin feels really irritated and inflamed, especially when I don't follow the words of my dermatologist and try to like prick or like try to extract by myself. So then this really helps because after that, kahit nagalit na galit sila the next day, I feel like my skin gets really calm and it really soothes the inflammation and the redness and the irritation. It's actually a really potent formula. That's why it's in an ampule. So it's highly concentrated with vitamin E and also the Solza. If you're not familiar with this, this is a patented ingredient that has antibacterial and also anti-inflammatory properties. And it's great also in controlling your sebum production, which you guys know is one of my problems. And again, like the microneedle, it's got tea tree leaf also. This has 72%. And I don't know about you, but I love tea tree leaf, especially for treating acne. So if you have acne-prone skin, I feel like these two super duper powerful together. Oh, actually, I also have this one. This is my first time naman to try this. It's the Vitamin E Calming Light Cream. So it's also part of the Vitamin E line. It's the cream naman, so you can put this after your serum. So it's also got the same ingredients, like it's got vitamin E, it's got the Solza. So it's also got a lot of calming and soothing properties. It smells so good. I'm so excited to try this one because I've been doing so well with the vitamin E microneedle and also the ampule. So I feel like this one will also do well for me. I will use this during the daytime just to help with the sebum control also and the calming and really to be able to make my skin stronger. This kasi is a hypoallergenic barrier strengthening cream. And if your skin barrier is strengthened, then you're more protected against all the factors that are out there in the world that harm your skin. And this is my favorite thing about mine from COMMONLABS. They always include these tiny little samplers. So I got a bunch of samplers from them, which I love, especially since we're going to be traveling soon. So I get to bring all these with me. So there, we've got a bunch of these samples. Yay! Excited to try these. Okay, next, let's open this big package. Ooh, it's the sandals I ordered. Ta-da! Very edgy. I keep seeing this on Ida Anduyon's Instagram, and I love them. So there you go. I ordered a size 38. Let's see if it fits me well. Yeah, it fits me well. It's kind of true to size. Oh, so cute. So cute. I saw a bunch of sellers selling these on Shopee. They have different price points. Siguro mga like 90 peso difference per Shopee seller. But I went with this ultimately because I was reading the reviews and they seem to be more legit. So even though they're a bit pricier than the one that I found that was the cheapest, I went with this instead because I don't want to be scammed. So these are around 900 pesos or so. So yeah, super cute naman. Looks very close. Next one is from Lazada. Nasa Lazada yan. This is something I purchased for the Kokoro fam. If you're wondering what this is, it is a waterproof picnic mat, and it's portable. See? It's so cute. I made the hubs choose. It came in a bunch of colors. I think there's red and also black, but we ultimately went with the yellow, kind of very summer feel. So see, that's my hubs walking around. It's pretty big as well. Ta-da! I'm gonna show you open fully, but you get the gist. Ta-da! It's this wide. So this side is clean. So it's waterproof, easy to clean, everything else. Because we usually picnic around the village or around our new village for Kokoro House. And so I really wanted something that's super duper portable and really, really small and easy to clean so that the love bugs can all hang out and picnic. This is around 190 something pesos. Look at that. Super affordable naman. Okay, so next up, this is, I think, a phone case I ordered from Lazada as well. So I ordered two because I couldn't choose which color to get. But it's these reflective cases. They're not so cheap, actually. But they come with straps, which I love, especially now that I'm a mom. I need phone cases that have straps. So, ay, may mga gasgas. Ay, hindi. Okay, may protective film. Beautiful. And it comes with this super madame chain. Ta-da! This chain may look heavy, but it's actually really light. It's super plasticky lang kasi it's not naman a metal chain. And then the silver version. Ta-da! It's really, really light. So light. I don't think this is shock-proof or anything though. It's just for pampaganda lang siya. So it's kind of pricey. It's around 200 pesos each. And then I bought this separately, a longer chain for it. Ta-da! This clear chain. You can use this for your mask. You can use this for your bag. But I plan to use it for this one. That's why I made sure that the phone case I'm buying has a big ring so that I could insert this huge ass hook inside. So it's a bit longer than the one that I have now. I could wear my phone over my shoulders like this. This is pretty pricey also. It's around 100 something. So, but a lot of different uses naman. And then I got another one. Di pa tayo tapos with the chains. Nawili ako. So that one was for my clear case. I also got this longer gold chain naman, which again, you can use for your bags, for everything else. So this is long, so I could wear it over like this, like a sling. So this is perfect also for clear. See, it matches. It's really sturdy as well, this one. It doesn't feel flimsy at all. It's got a nice hook as well. So this is around 166. With shipping, you'll be around 200 plus. But again, at least it looks sturdy. And then next up is another one from Shopee that I shopped. These are more accessories as well. I bought a bunch of hair clips. These cute barrettes. So I think I bought two of this so that I could get more of each color. I could wear them in pairs. I love that the colors are really, really unique. They're not your usual pastel colors. I like they're a bit muted, so medyo mas adult. And then I also got this one. Another clamp that I could wear out of the house. Gold naman siya. Super cute, right? And then I got this again from Shopee. Super cheap. I think this is just like around 60 pesos per pair, which is why I bought so much, all of the different colors. So cheap. I wanted like big rectangular frames. Got a bunch of different colors because I couldn't decide. So got it in this cream color. My face kasi isn't the smallest face. So I feel like if I want these cool frames, they have to be a little bit oversized, at least this way, if it's not oversized this way. So this is just the perfect size for my face. And then I also got this different shapes naman in funkier colors. Can you imagine it? If I'm wearing something like really cool, very street style type of thing. We're almost done. We have one more here. This is also on Shopee. It's from Cosmo naman. So I wanted some straps for my mask. And they customize as well. So I wanted this cute color combo. And it's got my name on there. Camille. And then I also got another one. I wanted a really colorful one. But I don't have to keep my mask now whenever I'm eating or something. I just wear it around my neck. And then I also got a bunch of different scrunchies for me to match my different outfits. There! And now we're on to my last one. This one naman is from the Hub Cebu. They're available on Instagram but also on Shopee. So I got some cases. I'm still not over my phone case with strap face. So I got this really cute lilac color. And also this, I don't know, kind of like oat cereal color. And I feel like you'd see a bunch of different stores that sell cases like this. But what I love about this one from the Hub Cebu, it's actually 100% zero waste. So it's made out of bamboo and wheat. And the profits made from these biodegradable cases are given to the farmers in Tarlac, Pangasinan, and Misamis Oriental. So it's got a really, really good cost behind it, which is why I love. So support local, support the Hub Cebu. These are really, really good and really pretty as well. So that's it for my Shopee Lazada mini haul. I told you guys I'm gonna make this fast. Sayang because I bought a lot of different footwear as well from Shopee, but again, hindi umabot. I feel like Shopee's transit time takes quite a while. Sayang talaga because they're so cute. I'm gonna share those on my Instagram stories instead. Anyway, if you guys have any of your favorite Shopee or Lazada stores that you want to recommend, please make sure to leave me a comment below and give me a thumbs up as well. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next week for another exciting vlog.